Yeah, I don't know. I live in South County of St. Louis, so it's not like, all right, I'm gonna stop talking for a second because I need to count some stuff. So it's over and then down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16. Got it. Oh no. Never mind, I got ahead of myself, guys. We're not even that far yet. Alright, so I just got done with all of the deleting the extra vertices. Now I have to select all of these lines. I have to select 3 of them and press F to fill that in with a face. I could select all 4, but you don't have to, so it's a waste of time if you do. And then I'll be able to go and count them out, which ones I want to raise up. So we'll just start this process. Oh no, actually I think I can do this quicker. Now that I think about it, let me vertex. Hang on, we might be able to shortcut our way through this because I've been doing this for a couple days now. Like I said, I've learned some tricks. Excuse me while So we're going to select all these vertices, and we are going to remove doubles. And there were no doubles, so that was pointless. This is Jolly Old St. Nicholas from Steve Combs. Nerd on the Street. You never know what you'll get with our 22-hour audio library. 22 hours and 40 minutes of royalty-free music is what we are hearing right now. All right, what was I talking about, though, before I got distracted by my counting? All right, here we go. So we just make sure our vertice number does not go up. Okay, we're good. Now I can go and do the... Almost. We're almost good. See, now I don't have to fill in all of those faces. Whoops. I just have to fill in the ones on the edges. So that was the shortcut I just did. Let me know if you guys have any questions about Blender, because that's what I'm doing here. But we were talking about school. Last thing we're going to do tonight is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't count right. That looks better. Okay, because this is where the line turns. Okay. Cannot wait to see how this turns out, to be honest. Yeah, neither can I. Oh, Richard. Yeah, like, I wish I could see how it's going to turn out right now. It is killing me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm almost positive that this is counted correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. All right. 13, 14, 15, 16. And here's the part where everyone's going to tune out. Oh, actually, we got a new viewer right when I'm sitting here counting to myself. All right, so since Blender does a lot of stuff with numbers, I can use that to do sanity checks. So for instance, to make sure, I know that this needs to be 16 blocks tall and 3 blocks wide. So in order to make sure that like I didn't accidentally skip a row somewhere, which would throw off the symmetry of the entire design, what I do is I just see, Blender tells me how many blocks I have selected, or how many faces. So then you take that, add these 5 that I don't have selected here in the corner, and then divide it by 16, and if it's a whole number, then I've got the correct number of blocks selected. If I've skipped a row somewhere, then it won't be a whole number. It would still be a whole number if I skipped a column, but I would notice that because the columns are freaking huge. The rows are the tricky thing. So that's what I'm doing there. We are coming up on convergence here. Look at this, guys. These 2 lines coming down here, I don't know if you can see. We got one coming this way, one coming that way, and they're actually gonna hit here. Boy. Oh boy. No, this is actually bad. They're gonna hit off center, I think. Uh-oh. Alright, well, nobody will notice. This ship is huge. 870 plus 10 is 880. divided by 16, 55. All right, so we're all good right now height-wise. How are we going to handle this? Yeah, this is off-center, but we're just going to roll with it. Select all those and these. Okay, no, that's fine. Deselect those. Oh boy, that looks like crap, doesn't it? But we can fix it just by doing this. All right. See, that's symmetrical. Not exactly, which you can tell by the arrow there, but it's more or less symmetrical. So now we're gonna, I think we've got snapping turned on down here, yep. So rotate this. Middle mouse click and move to rotate Richard, our new Blender person. I'm gonna click G and pops right up here. That's messed up. There should not be a hole there. But we'll fix that after. Just click that. Wait, that's undo actually. G, Z, Z. That's possibly better. Okay. So now let's fill in. I don't know why this hole is here. We're not going to worry about it. We're just going to fix it. So normally you want to avoid quadrilaterals. You want everything to be triangles, but it doesn't actually matter. Oh, I know why those are. I know why this was broken now. So we've got to go to wireframe mode and select everything in this vicinity and remove doubles. Look at that, remove 2 vertices. There were 2 double vertices there. And I could tell because of the way that when I selected them, that one of the lines would highlight but not the other one. That means that there are 2 vertices hiding one on top of another. But the program can get rid of them automatically if you tell it to. Like I just did. I guess that's not automatic because I had to tell it, but now we do the same thing over here on the other side. So see right here, normally when you select a vertice like this, every line that the vertice is connected to is going to light up. You can see right here, down here, over here, and both sides are lit up. I click this one, only these 3 are lit up. The one going this direction, not lit up. So if I hold shift and right click, all right, in solid mode, it only is going to select or deselect the topmost vertice, and it's decided arbitrarily that that's the topmost. If I go into wireframe and I right click, see how it highlights the other line there? Because now I've actually got 2 vertices selected, it says up here. I click remove doubles, watch this. Removed 1 vertice, and now that's just 1 vertice that highlights all of them at the same time. I think it was the other corner was where the other one was, on the other side, down here. So wireframe, select, remove doubles. Okay. And now we'll just highlight all 4 corners. Once again, it doesn't matter if this was something that was going to ever bend, we would want to do like, we'd want to do a line in the middle and then make it 2 triangles. Just an easy way to make things into triangles. But since it's going to be flat anyway, and I'm, you know, not going to be sending this model to anyone else who's more particular about it, then I can just select all 4. And now it's a face. All right. So that's a little design on the bottom of this ship. See how it wraps around and goes backwards? So yeah. That's all I'm going to show you for now. I don't want to spoil too much here.